Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition and health. I'm also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please you also pray for me. I hope you're getting my latest videos. So girls, the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet handbag, beautiful purses, clutches ideas for modern girls, joyful girls. So girls, please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting variety. Different ideas, mind-blowing pattern, most demanding collection, and daily use collection. Follow my channel, press the bell icon. After clicking the bell icon, you will get the notification all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet handbag. Very nice, some are simple and some are beautiful, decorated with button-up style, beaded stones, decorated ideas, crochet step style, chain step style, leather step style, wooden handle, metal handle, zipper style, pocket style. Very nice. Beautiful ideas for modern girls. Okay, viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care, viewers. Bye bye. Please wait for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice